Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell a tip related to anchor tag in HTML. By default we use anchor tag to link one web page to another web page, but in many of the websites we can see by clicking on a link or button we have the download of the file. Like here I taken an example of pixel site. Here by selecting an image it will open the page like this. Here we have the button free download. When I click on that button we can see here a file will be downloaded like this. But if you want to implement the same feature in our website, what you have to do is you have to take an anchor tag, and in the anchor tag href attribute you have to mention the file we want to download, and also you have to specify an attribute download. If you do not specify attribute and only specify the file name, that will not work. Here if you see I have taken slash dot forward slash means within the same folder where this HTML file is present, and 9.jpg which is the file name I have present in this folder, and I have written the text download file. So here I am clicking this. If you see this, it is not downloading, just it is opening. But if you want to download, when user clicks on that file and that link means you have to specify download attribute, just download attribute. You can pass some name also here, but we will see that later. But now for now just I have taken only download file text, and a file path is given in href attribute. So here if I click on this download file, now a file will download here. So if I open that, you can see. So it is taking some time in my system due to some slowness. And so now we got the file downloaded. And if you want to style like this, here how we have the button like this, here also we can style like that. So here I am taking the style tag, and in this style tag I am selecting anchor tag, and to the anchor tag all styles I need to modify. Like by default underline will come like in anchor tag. So if you don't want, you can remove that. And if you want buttons like structure means you can take a button tag here inside the anchor tag. You have to take a button, and inside the button you have to put whatever the style you want, whatever the text you want, and to the button we can apply our custom styles. So here I am taking button background color as blue color and text color as white, and I'm also giving some border radius 5 pixels, and also padding 5 pixels I'm giving. So when you look at this, you have this button type of structure, and I can also specify cursor pointer and remove the outline. Remove the border also. Now when I click on this, again files are downloading like this. how many times I click, files will be downloaded. And to the download attribute, we can pass some value. What this means is with what name we want to save that file in the client side. Here the actual file name is 9.jpg. Instead of that, if I want another name, in that case, I can specify whatever the name I want. Here I am specifying nature. So now if I download that file, the name will be nature. Earlier 9, but now we have the nature file name. So by using this download attribute, we can download the file and also give the custom name to that file. Thank you for watching.